The federal government has tasked all polytechnics across the country to leverage on the benefit of technology-based education in order to boost the nation's economy. The Minister of Education, Adamu, made this call during the grand finale of exhibition and competition among students of Federal Polytechnics in Abuja, saying science and technology can promote rapid development and the execution of government policies.
It is pertinent at this junction to mention that science and technology is essential and remains the tool for rapid development of any successful economy. Villages were developed into towns and towns to cities and expanding to greater horizons. The expansion has occurred through the benefits of science and technology over the years, and more are still on their way. Countries which have a strong base in science and technology are the ones that develop faster. Examples of such countries are Asian tigers like Singapore, Japan, Korea, China, and more. The theme for the 2022 Pointer edition was National Exhibition on Creativity and Innovation for Employment Generation. Target participants in the competition are the undergraduate students in the field of science and technology. The objectives or importance of the pointer are: 1. To groom engineering, science and technology students in polytechnics, innovative enterprise institutions to develop cutting-edge skills to meet national manpower need and for global competitiveness. To encourage science and technology students to believe in hard work, talents, and creativity as an added impetus for job and wealth creation. To challenge students to design innovative technology-based projects for commercial or entrepreneurship purposes or as small business innovation research purposes. At this point in time, the nation requires that youth be highly skilled in order to solve the problems of unemployment, problems of insecurity, and problems of youth restiveness, thereby enabling them to be self-reliant entrepreneurs and job and wealth creators. The Federal Ministry of Education introduced the pointer competition at the Polytechnics and Innovative Enterprise Institution in order to promote policies and programs and initiatives that will enable our undergraduates showcase their talents, showcase their skills and creativeness in science and technology endeavors for national development.
Actually, me coming here is to exhibit my talent, to tell the world what I can do with my hands. So I'm so much appreciated and amazed. I'm fully amazed. I'm amazed that this dedicated design was appreciated and accepted from the mayor, from the view of the congregation. So thank you so much for actually the design is a proposed modern city design. Actually, the design is a proposed contract for the federal government. So in using the dedicated landmass in Oko and Amapa community, actually the name of the site plan is, you are using Yosha Lake that falls in between Oko and Amapa community. So being individual developer, I was asked by the federal government to develop the area as a kind of to regenerate Oko and Amapa community using this in an urban setting. So that's why I could be able to produce design like this to make it more, to create something new in that environment. Thank you so much.
My project is I'm decided and develop a model of hydro turbine for practical purpose. Yes, sir. No, hydro turbine is a gigantic structure which is not easily accessible by students of engineering. So as that, and also as part of course offered in HND 2, which is a hydropower plant engineering, they talk more of hydro turbine. So on that, I pick that as a challenge to develop a model so that at least when the lecturer is talking about hydro turbine, the students may at least have a view of how it operates, how it's being operated. You understand me now? So the model there, it serves for practical purpose. Students can conduct more than 4 practicals from that model. Yes, they can determine the flow rates, the rotation of the shafts, and the output voltage. Even the potential head, they can find out using Bernoulli equation. The major component of a real hydro turbine consists of the dam, the gates, the penstock, the turbine blade, the shafts, and the generator. You also have the tail race. Yes. The water falls from the dam. It passes through the penstock. That valve is a governing system that regulates the flow of water. Yes, sir. So that penstock now is a hollow structure which conveys water from the dam into the penstock. Now the turbine blade converts the potential energy of the falling water into kinetic energy of the shafts. The generator there now, it converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. You understand?
I actually built a drone from scratch using 90% of local materials that we can readily find around us anytime, any day, anywhere. So the drone works with the use of 4 motors known as rotors, and it has 4 propellers which enables it to fly, like move up, move forward, move sideways, and to perform all those maneuverabilities that your normal aircraft does. So the drone is actually having a camera, an HD camera, and also a night vision camera, which will enable it to fly at night. Because the reason why we added the night vision camera system to it is because of the insecurity we are facing in this part of the country, Nigeria. Because it is totally unsafe, and it's totally like a thing of worry that the roads are not safe for people to travel to do their various business, and so you hear of kidnappings and other stuff. And also farmers, like it's also in the aspect of farming, people can't go to their farm to do their normal farm work without hearing of kidnapping and other stuff. So with the help of the drone now, you can actually deploy the drone and send it to those locations, and now you are saving the life of your security personnel, because your drone is there to represent them, and your drone can pinpoint where any location where you have your insurgents and other kidnappers and other stuff without hurting your security personnel. And this will enable your security personnel to like go there in team and to capture the whole environment. And also the drone currently that we have, we use it to do area surveillance and capturing of our school. If you can see right there, you see it. We did area surveillance. We used a HD camera on board, a 4K HD camera. The drone we have currently, it has a range of 2 kilometers, and it can fly up to a height of 500 meters. It can fly up to 500 meters. And for now, we are actually working on how to like develop it the more for like a longer flight time, because presently it has a flight time of 15 minutes. So we are trying to extend it to an hour or 2 or more for more coverage and more time for surveillance. If it can be supported financially, we can mass produce this particular kind of drone, and we can deploy it to all around the states for security purpose, and even for farming. You can also use it for farming. And the area of support we are talking about, if we have machinery, we can actually accurately or precisely produce good materials and good drones that we can use to do all this stuff.